Digital nomad adventures. They aren't just Instagram fantasies, they're real, and people are getting paid to explore the entire world while living in paradise. Imagine working poolside in Bali, an online meeting on a white tropical beach, or writing daily blogs from a cozy cafe in Lisbon, all while earning a steady paycheck. And stay till the end of this video, because I'll reveal an unbelievable mind-blowing travel job opportunity you won't believe actually exists. But what if I told you it's not only possible, but there are specific jobs, countries, and companies designed to make this a reality? Whether you're dreaming of sipping coffee in a Parisian cafe while closing deals or teaching English on a tropical beach, this video is your ultimate guide to combining work and wanderlust. Let's be real, most people feel stuck. You wake up, commute to a 9 to 5, and spend the better part of your life saving for a 2-week vacation you'll barely have time to enjoy. That's the reality for millions, and it's frustrating. Why should exploring the world be something we only get a taste of a few times a year? The challenge for most people isn't the desire to travel, it's how to make it sustainable. How do you afford flights, accommodations, and expenses without a steady income? And let's not forget the guilt, leaving behind stability, friends, and family to pursue something that feels, at times, impossible. Here's the good news. The rise of remote work and global connectivity has changed everything. We're living in a time when you can work from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. Let's dive into some of the best ways people are working and traveling at the same time, along with countries and companies that are making it easier than ever to turn this dream into a reality. 1. The digital nomad boom. First, let's talk about digital nomads. You've probably heard this term thrown around, but what does it actually mean? Digital nomads are people who work online, often freelancing, running businesses, or working for companies remotely, while constantly moving from place to place. Countries like Portugal, Thailand, and Mexico have become hotspots for digital nomads, and it's no coincidence. Portugal offers something called the Digital Nomad Visa, which allows you to stay and work in the country legally for up to a year, as long as you meet their income requirements. Thailand has Chiang Mai, the unofficial digital nomad capital of the world, known for its affordable cost of living, vibrant community, and beautiful surroundings. Imagine paying $400 a month for rent and working from a co-working space overlooking lush green mountains. 2. Companies that pay you to travel. Here's where it gets even more exciting. Some companies actually pay you to travel as part of the job. Let me give you a few examples. Remote Year. This program lets you travel to 12 different cities in 12 months while working remotely for your own job. They handle all the logistics, accommodations, flights, and co-working spaces, so you can focus on exploring new cultures and maintaining your work-life balance. TEFL Jobs. Teaching English abroad. Countries like Japan, South Korea, and Spain actively recruit English teachers and pay well enough to live comfortably while immersing yourself in the local culture. Some programs even cover your flights and housing. Content creation jobs. Have you heard of companies hiring travel bloggers or influencers to promote tourism? Some countries, like Iceland and the Maldives, have partnered with content creators to bring awareness to their stunning landscapes. Imagine being paid to take pictures of waterfalls and pristine beaches. 3. Remote-friendly careers. If you're not looking to join a program or move abroad immediately, you can still work remotely while traveling. Fields like graphic design, writing, customer service, software development, and even project management are increasingly offering remote options. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Remote.co are gold mines for finding gigs that fit your skills. And don't underestimate the power of starting your own small business or side hustle. From dropshipping to managing social media accounts, the possibilities are endless. 4. The role of technology. Technology has been a game changer for working travelers. Thanks to tools like Zoom, Slack, and cloud storage, it's easier than ever to stay connected to your team no matter where you are in the world. Even Wi-Fi dead zones are less of an issue now with mobile hotspots and satellite internet. 5. Where to go and why. Now, let's talk about some of the best places to live and work as a traveler. Bali, Indonesia, famous for its beaches, affordable villas, and vibrant digital nomad scene. Lisbon, Portugal, a city that's modern, safe, and packed with culture. Lisbon also offers fantastic food, mild weather, and an ever-growing remote work community. Mexico City, Mexico. This city is an underrated gem with affordable living costs, rich rich history, and incredible food. Each location offers something unique, whether it's cost savings, networking opportunities, or jaw-dropping scenery. Now, let me tell you about a job that combines the best of both worlds: incredible travel and a paycheck. There's a company called Outsite that hires people to manage luxury co-living spaces around the world. Your job? Organize events, welcome guests, and make sure everything runs smoothly while staying in some of the most stunning destinations on the planet. It's like being a host, traveler, and entrepreneur all at once. But wait, here's the twist. I promised you a mind-blowing travel job, and here it is. Have you heard of the Ultimate World Tester? This is a once-in-a-lifetime gig where you're paid to travel to 50 countries in a year, testing luxury accommodations, adventure experiences, and even local cuisine, all while documenting it for social media. Yes, this job actually exists. Organizations like Very First To and Third Party Travel handle this kind of formula, but it is very difficult to get into these organizations. They are highly exclusive, but companies like Woof, worldwide opportunities on organic farms. For those interested in ecotourism, Woof connects travelers with organic farms worldwide. Participants volunteer in exchange for meals and accommodation, experiencing local cultures and sustainable farming practices firsthand. Also, GVI, Global Vision International. This organization combines volunteer work with travel. Participants can join projects focused on conservation, community development, or education in destinations such as Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Working and traveling isn't just a dream, it's a lifestyle that's more accessible than ever. From teaching English abroad to freelancing in a Bali cafe, the options are endless. It takes planning, determination, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone, but the rewards are worth it. You get to see the world, meet amazing people, and create memories that last a lifetime, all while earning an income. If you are traveling to your new, far-distant, dreamy, tropical work location, this video about life-changing travel apps is a must-see and will help you to app your way to paradise. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. This was Off to Discover. Peace.